Welcome to Open Whispers channel. When the uninitiated throw sand at the masquerade, obviously the masquerade should know that his time in the arena is up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share the video, and please remember to leave your comments in the comment section so that let us know how you feel about each time that we bring up a particular topic to discuss. And I appreciate all those who have taken time to say one thing or the other, or to share their views about the topics that we've handled in this channel, because we have the opinion that when you see something, say something, and do something, that is what will bring a change in the system. This conspiracy of silence by those that matter will not help us. Southeast of Nigeria is under siege. People call them the unknown gunmen. You try to mystify them. They are sons and daughters of Igbo land. The time that we say that they were infiltrators, or those who try to tag them the Fulani herdsmen, the mask will soon be removed. Whoever is doing this, IPOB has come out to say, not in our name. Nnamdi Kanu has come out to say, not in my name. The only person left to speak out against this is the elites, the political elites, mothers, fathers, sisters, and brothers. If we keep quiet, our land will be destroyed. He who is throwing stone inside the market will not be sure is not the mother that that stone will kill. Remember that a woman who sells eggs does not start a fight inside the market. Because if you don't know where the rain started beating you, you don't know where that rain will stop. This surge, this destruction that has fallen Igbo land will take years to rebuild Igbo land. Because if you are a plantain that has refused to ripe because you don't want to be fried, it could also be used as plantain chips. Say something when you see something, but do something most importantly. Recently, a lawmaker in Anambra State, was just not killed, but beheaded in a most barbaric way that I've never seen in my life. The only thing it reminds me, or it reminds one, is the killing of Deborah Samuel, the person who was killed in the name of religion in Sokoto, and her words while she was dying. What do you tend to achieve by doing this? And that reminds me of Julius Caesar, when he was killed. He survived every stabbing that he received. But when he looked and saw Brutus, the best friend, he said, "Ete Brutus, even you, Brutus, why Okechukwu Okoye was killed? I believe that those who did that must have known him. I wonder the last thing he must have said to them. I wonder the plea he must have made why he was murdered the way he was murdered. This is against Igbo culture. This is not in our name. This is alien to our culture. Those doing this, what do you tend to achieve?" When Igbo politicians were busy buying guns and giving to our youth, some of us cried out that the havoc this will bring to the system will take centuries to heal. Chicken has come home to roost. Is this still in the name of Biafra? Nnamdi Kanu has said no. But Simon, if you love Igbo land, if you love your motherland, if you love your fatherland, you also need to come clean and say, not in your name. This sit at home that these miscreants have used as an excuse to wreak havoc on your motherland must be called off. Let us know those who are doing this and their reason for doing this. 24 hours after beheading and hanging his head in Chisco Motor Park, a mother with her 4 underage children were also killed, shot in a broad daylight. Is this still in the name of Biafra? Is this still in the name of freedom fighting? You cannot impoverish and kill those you say you are liberating. I disagree with you, with all due respect. Our mothers, these are your sons and daughters. The time to speak out is this. We cannot continue mystifying them in the name of unknown gunmen. These people are known. These people, we know their hideouts. They belong to the communities. They belong to families. If they are strangers, every son and daughter of Igbo land must rise up to the occasion and defend Igbo land. This is no longer freedom fighting. This is no longer in our name. IPOB has rejected this. Nnamdi Kanu has rejected this. Sons and daughters, you need to reject this too. Whoever is doing this is fighting against the release of Nnamdi Kanu, whose countdown we have started in this channel. We are saying, not in his name, not in his interest. And I'm calling on federal government once again. I demand that Nnamdi Kanu must be released. I said that tomorrow may be too late. His release will prove one point, that those who are using the name of IPOB to commit these heinous crimes are not doing it in their name. Those who are doing this in the name of freedom fighting, they are lying from the pit of hell. They have their hidden agenda. Our mothers should rise up and do what was done in Aba famous women riot. When the women came out naked and marched the streets, fighting for injustice that was perpetrated during that time. The time for mothers to give up these sons and daughters is now, before it is too late. The attack is on Soludo, but at the same time, anybody who is doing this wants Soludo to be troubled. But Soludo is not a coward. It's not an attack on him. It's an attack on Igbo land. It's an attack on Anambra. It's an attack on Ndimo. It's an attack on Nigeria. And this is an attack, one too many. We must all rise up to the occasion and defend Igbo land. If we love Nnamdi Kanu, if we love our dear Igbo land, if we love our nation, the time for our mothers to speak out, give up these criminal children, the time for us to do that is now, before it is too late. It's an attack, not just on Soludo, it's an attack on Anambra. This is an attack on Igbo. While we are busy campaigning, our land has been declared a battlefield. Those doing this, what do you tend to achieve? Are you trying to prove that IPOB is really a terror organization when the world has said that IPOB is not a terror organization? Do you want to paint IPOB as this? IPOB should also do more than they have done, because this is working against you. You should go to the streets, march the streets, and face these people one-on-one, and let them know that if you are truly fighting for the liberation of Igbo land, the time to show your love for Igbo land is now. The time for Simon Ekpa to speak out against this killing going on in Igbo land is now. You cannot throw a stone in the farmland to kill your own mother when you know your mother has gone to farm. He who is dancing the surrogate dance should be told that surrogate dance is the dance of the dead. This was what started in Imo State. And when Hope Uzodinma invited the military to flush them out, everybody started crying that Hope Uzodinma is fighting the Igbos. If Soludo now invites the military to flush these people out, I hope nobody will say that he is killing the sons and daughters of Igbo land. Let us expose these people. What is going on with our traditional rulers? What is going on with our community leaders? The time to speak up is now. This conspiracy of silence is worse than the battle raging in Igbo land. Igbo land is faced with two kinds of battle: internal battle and external battle. And I'm also suspecting that those doing this are the same people who tried to stop the election of Soludo. But remember, if you don't want Soludo to succeed, what about Igbo land? Must you cut off the ear because you want to destroy the face? You cannot do that. See something, say something, and please do something. The time for us to save Igbo land is now. This crime must stop. Our mothers, you have the key to solving this problem. Our daughters, you have the key to solving this problem. We know where these people are. We cannot continue being silent because we are afraid of being attacked. A man is known where he stands in times of crisis. This is Open Whispers. See something, say something, do something. Igbo land must be safe from self-destruction. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram. Join us and know that a land that does not know the truth suffers. Lack of knowledge is what kills the people. And a nation without vision also suffers. We must stop this thing from going on. The time to act is now. It's only the truth that can set us free. Thank you and God bless you.